Welcome to Microscope Adventures. Today, we're going to explore moldy strawberry. We've all seen mold growing on forgotten food. It might look yucky, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Mold is a living organism, and under the microscope, we can see how it's built. Let's see what makes it tick. Wow, look at those fuzzy threads. Those are called hyphae, and they're like the roots of the mold. They help it spread and absorb nutrients from the strawberry. See those tiny round things on some of the hyphae? Those are spores. Spores are like mold seeds. They float in the air and can land on other food sources, helping the mold spread and grow new colonies. Mold likes moist environments with food to break down. That's why it grows on forgotten strawberries. The hyphae absorb nutrients from the strawberry, which helps the mold grow and reproduce. By using our microscope, we were able to see the fascinating structure of mold. These fuzzy hyphae and tiny spores help us understand how mold spreads and breaks down food. Remember, it's important to throw away moldy food because it can make us sick. What other mysterious things grow around us? Leave a comment below and let's explore them together in our next microscope adventure.